Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from ADIB app. First, open the ADIB official app. Launch the ADIB mobile official banking app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Second, select transfer. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the transfer option. This is typically available in the menu or as an icon. Third, choose the type of transfer. You will be prompted to choose the type of transfer you want to make. Options might include transfer to ADIB account or transfer within ADIB, transfer to other bank to send money to other bank, and international transfer for sending money abroad. Fourth, enter the recipient details. If you are transferring to an ADIB account or another bank, enter the recipient details like account number, recipient name, and bank details. For international transfers, you may need to provide additional information like the recipient's address and bank SWIFT and BIC code. Then enter the transfer amount. Specify the amount of money you want to send. Then review and confirm. Double check all the details before confirming the transfer. Ensure there is no errors to avoid sending money in the wrong account. Then authenticate the transfer. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to authenticate the transaction using methods like OTP, biometric verification, or your PIN. Confirmation. After successful authentication, you will receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number. You can also save this for your records. Then in the last, check transfer status. You can track the status of the transfer within the app to ensure it has been processed successfully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.